Hello friends, I am going to start the illustration 5 of the illustration 5. CMA final SFM lease versus buy option. Please read the questions. This is an easy question. Look at it. In this illustration, the Sarda Beverage Limited has taken a plant on lease valued rupees 20 crore. The lease arrangement is the form of the leveraged lease. Leveraged lease is most of the capital you have taken from the loan. Leveraged lease. That most of the capital you have taken from loan. The Kuber Leasing Limited is equity. Kuber Leasing Limited in the equity participate in, and Hindustan Bank Limited in the loan participate. Kuber, this is a leasing company. Kuber Leasing, and that is Hindustan Bank Limited. This is a leasing company. That is a loan provider. The fund in the investment of 2:1. It means you had 20 crore of total funds required. Out of these, there are two parties. One party is Kuber Leasing Company and Hindustan Bank. Hindustan Bank, and this is 20%, and this is 80%. This it means 2:1 means 20% or 80%. 2 divided by 2 plus 10 into 100, that equal to 20%. 8 divided by 2 plus 10 into 100, that this is your 80%. So 20% of rupees 2 lakh, this is rupees 4 lakh, 4 crore. Kuberlin has financed 4 crore, and this is 16 crore. 16 crore. Okay. The loan from Hindustan Bank Limited carries a fixed interest at 19% at the rate of 19%. At the rate of 19%. Payable in a 6% annual installment. Now, payable in a 6% annual installment means this question is done inclusive of interest. 6 installment you have to pay it in 6 installment inclusive of interest. Inclusive of interest. The leasing company term 6 years with lease rental payable annually in arrear, annually at the end of year. Compute the equated annual installment for the this company, and if the lease rent unknown, then HBL pre-tax yield 25%. Company want to return 25%. What should be the minimum lease rent which quoted? This is a similar question of as earlier, but this is a leasing questions. First, you have to pay to annually lease rent loan also. So you need to calculate first answers. Answer of first part. Equal annual loan installment. Loan installment equal annual loan installment inclusive of interest. Formula of this is loan divided by present value annuity factor. This is the interest rate 19%. In how many times in how many installment you want to pay? This is the sixth installment. This I have discussed in a time value of money chapters in very large scale. Now present value annuity factor of this is 3.4098. This is rupees 4 crore 69 lakh 23,573. Now we need to calculate for the second answers. Let lease rent. This let normal lease rent is lease rent be X. Now you are going to receive X lease. Out of this, you have to pay loan installment. You have to pay loan installment. Loan installment you have to pay 469,23573. The net amount received by lessor. Net amount received by lessor. This is the amount received by the lessor. Okay. Lessor want to have a return 25% in 6 years. In this case, present value of this cash inflow must be equal to present value of cash outflow. Then what will be the present value of cash outflow for the leasing company? That is the 4 lakh. Okay. Now, for 25% return, for 25% return, present value of cash inflow must be equal to present value of cash outflow. And now, what is the present value of cash? X is your lease, 4,69,000. This you are going to pay 4,69,000, 4,69,23,573. You are going to pay to the leasing company, to loan providers. Present value annuity factor, that is the 25% for 6 years. This is rupees 4 crore. 4 crore. Or X equal to 4,69,23,573 into present value factor 25% for 6 years is 2.9514. 9514. This is rupees 4 crore. Or X minus 469,23573, 4 crore divided by 2.9515, or X equal to 469,23573 plus 135 52,890. This equal to rupees 6 crore 4 lakh 76,463. This should be charged. This lease should be charged by the lessor. Then he will recover his 25% return. This was the question. Okay. Thank you, class. Please like, subscribe, and share my video.